to our JandNTravels YouTube channel. We are a couple from Southern New Hampshire who like to travel. Our channel has many playlists loaded with a variety of travel videos. Check out our playlist for our many cruise videos, snowbirding videos, Disney World videos, and much more. Our Home Movies is a variety of home movies taken with the family many years ago.
Our live shows, which is a collection of our channel lives and games that we play.
Miscellaneous Travel covers anything that we think you might be interested in, from an excursion to Mayan ruins in Mexico, to a day at a turtle farm in Grand Cayman, to playing with monkeys in St. Kitts, to a hotel cruise package in New York, to a rope course on a cruise ship, and many more.
Please check us out and see if anything interests you.
Also, check out our Facebook page.
Last but not least, check out our merchandise store, which has mugs, masks, shirts, and plenty more. Please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button or click on the frog icon on the video. Don't forget to click the bell to get notified of our future videos. And of course, please click on the thumbs up.
And remember, stay young and have fun.